Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in to Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now in order to sign in, simply tap on login button. And now here enter your email or phone number that you have signed up. For now, let me type my phone number on email or phone number box. So here type in your phone number or email and then type in your password. Once you're done, tap on login button as shown here. Oops, my password is wrong, so let me retype my another password. Once you're done, tap on login button. So here you go, you have successfully logged in or signed in your Discord account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.